before training, milk, dry fruits, cheese, best things you can do. Milk, dry fruit, cheese. If you can't have milk, take cheese. Anybody allergic to milk here? Anybody allergic to milk? No, good. So you can take milk, dry fruit, cheese. Milk without sugar. Milk without sugar. वो जो चॉकलेट मिल्क मिलता है, स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क मिलता है, एटलीस्ट 1 hour बिफोर इफ इट इज शुगर. इफ इट इज ऐसा कि 20 मिनट्स के बाद गेम है और आप एक छोटा ग्लास दूध पीने का, यू कैन टेक मिल्क, ड्राई फ्रूट्स, चीज. बिफोर लास्ट टाइम यू टेक दिस शुड बी एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर बिफोर ट्रेनिंग. हाउ मच चीज? चीज यू कैन टेक दिस साइज. वो स्लाइस मिलता है, चीज स्लाइस, 2 चीज स्लाइस. ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग, coconut water, banana, nuts. Which nuts can you take? You are from the land of Goa, yeah? Cashew nuts. How many cashew nuts? एक पैकेट नहीं है. 5 to 10 cashew nuts. पूरा मैच के अंदर. Okay? Half time you can take 5 to 8 nuts, cashew nuts. Or you can take almonds, badam, or pistas. One thing even coaches will come back to me and argue with me, but we have never done this. Okay? My thought process comes from the Guinness World Record. We are able to push a person to go for 26 hours by teaching them to eat when training. So if you can teach the stomach to accept nutrition, when you go for a match, the other team's not doing it, but you are doing it and your stomach is comfortable. And therefore you're getting hydration, you're getting carbohydrate, you're getting a little protein. So the mind is not breaking down because it is in close. It's like, yes, I'm getting nutrition. I can keep going. Post training, milk, eggs, noodles, curd rice, smoothies. Rice later. Acha, by the way, how many of you eat the Goa bullet rice? How many of you eat Goa bullet rice? Please raise your hand. 1, 2, 3.
I don't like it.
No taste buds.
What is that? Cut your taste buds. Okay. Brown rice, Goa bullet rice, is more nutritious than white rice. Brown rice is more nutritious than white rice. White rice has no thiamine in it. It's useless. अगर आप सफेद राइस खाते हैं तो आप आम आदमी हैं. I am not saying this because of anything. It's pure science. The science says that brown rice is unpolished. It contains those brown dots. वो brown dot के अंदर nutrition है. फुटबॉलर के लिए, टेनिस प्लेयर के लिए, any player, brown rice is really better. Do you know why we eat white rice? Because 100 years ago, the Britishers came to this country and they started mills. And when they put the mills, they said white rice is good because they used to run the mills. So it became fashionable to eat white rice. Today the whole world is eating brown rice, but we are eating white rice. But brown rice is better than white rice because it's nutritionally not polished and therefore the nutrition is there. It has a low glycemic, slowly releases energy. Okay, so keep this in mind. So mix yogurt or curd and rice. Smoothies. Smoothies क्या बोलते हैं? लस्सी शेक. लस्सी, सिंपल लस्सी, फ्रूट उसमें डालो, लस्सी होता है, स्मूदी होता है. ये इंग्लिश वाला जो नाम देता है, लेकिन वो लस्सी है. फ्रूट लस्सी, ये लस्सी, वो लस्सी. सो वेरी गुड. तो मेरे को बोलेगा कि रायन, आउटसाइड फुटबॉल ग्राउंड देयर इज नो स्मूदी अवेलेबल. सिंपल थिंग. Buy a plastic shaker. You've seen a plastic shaker? Tupperware में मिलता है, दुकान में. Open it, plastic, big plastic mouth. Buy a curd, dump it in. Take a banana, cut it with a small knife. उसके अंदर डालो, shake करो. Put little water, shake it, drink it. You may not like the taste, okay? But remember, you are an athlete. When you retire, put back your taste buds. When you retire as an athlete, put back your taste buds. Noodles is really good. Please utilize, don't utilize that cuppa noodle that doesn't digest very well. you have to boil the noodles. So buy normal noodles, not even Maggi noodles. वो जो दुकान में लॉन्ग वाला स्पगेटी मिलता है या मैकरोनी मिलता है, very easy bachelor food. Use that post workout. Okay? So these are my favorites. Yeah. You're right, but if you buy the correct noodle, okay, good point. Noodle जो लेता है वो brown वाला noodle ले लो. You get the ones which are darker. They are made with wheat flour. Maida wala mat le lo. Don't take the maida noodles. But at the end of the day, an athlete can use any amount of carbohydrate because they need 4,600 calories. So post workout, it's still okay. Okay, food supplements. I'm getting into food supplements. This is the shaker I was talking about. You can buy a shaker like this. Football is an Olympic sport. Yes? Good. Glad you know that. So the next Olympics are in Brazil. Yes? So maybe the coach will be able to take you to Brazil. So you need to play hard. Okay? Now, there is something known as WADA, which is the World Anti-Doping Agency. Because football is an Olympic level sport, there is dope testing. First tip I will give you. Whenever you take any medicine for cough or cold, please check with your sports doctor. I'm sure you'll have a medical doctor on site who will advise them which are the banned paracetamol, the cold medications and stuff like that. So please check with your doctor on what are the cold medications or asthma you're taking. In terms of supplements, sports drinks are safe to consume. Sports drink. एक चीज आपको बोलने का है, you will go to supplement shop. आप लोग supplement shop में जाएगा, वहाँ बड़ा बड़ा डब्बा होता है. Please take the advice of a sports nutritionist. Ask me, I will tell you. Some bodybuilding products have positive tests coming out of it. जो लोग आपको बोलेगा या भाई ये अच्छा है वो अच्छा है, ऐसा मत जाओ. Go away, try it and test it. Ask your association, ask your coach, ask your sports nutritionist. What supplement can I buy? I would endorse a sports drink. Okay? Multivitamin, vitamin C. Pharmacy में saline tablet मिलता है. Saline. Vitamin D. You get vitamin D sachets because most of the players are vitamin D deficient. If you see a lot of your players with bone issues or frequent injuries, just check the vitamin D levels. Invariably, they have very, very low levels, and that's leading to backaches and things like that. I've seen that here. B complex. Decusmals, you can take B complex. Again, the presentation is downloadable. Calcium, magnesium, and zinc. A good multivitamin. Okay, a good multivitamin. As a player, if I were you, I would take this multivitamin. There's a multivitamin called A to Z, available in the pharmacy. Okay. There's another one from BioCare. It's called One a Day. BioCare One a Day. This is available on healthcart.com. And अगर आपके फैमिली के अंदर कोई Amway का डीलर है, तो Amway there is one product called Daily. These are the three that I recommend. This is available in any pharmacy. A to Z multivitamin. Take one every day at breakfast time. A multivitamin is very good for a player because you guys don't eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. Under the age of 12, there is a kids formula, please, ma'am. It's for your kids, not A to Z, adult formula. Whey protein. वो जो बड़ा बड़ा डब्बा मिलता है, whey protein can be consumed. Okay, you can consume whey isolate post training, whey hydroxylate during the day. Top end players के पास 2 प्रोटीन डब्बा होता है, एक आइसोलेट, एक हाइड्रोसलेट. आइसोलेट ट्रेनिंग करने के बाद ड्यूरिंग द डे, समझो रायन का लेक्चर है 11:30, इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग टी यू हैव कैरीड योर शेकर, करेक्ट. उसमें यू पुट द पाउडर, कीप ड्राई पाउडर इनसाइड. 11:30 टाइम हो गया, पानी ले लो, पानी डालो, शेक करो, टक, प्रोटीन बार. Simplest carrying. Go to the bathroom, rinse it out, keep it, throw it into your bag. So there is a player for Mohan Bagan, I don't know if you know him, his name is Robin Singh. He's one of my clans. So Robin carries 3 shakers. So one for 10, one for 3:30 and one for 6:30. वो 3 shakers he carries because he leaves house and doesn't come back till night. 3 shakers are carried with that protein. The 11 o'clock one is the one where he goes to the canteen and puts milk in it. तो दूध के साथ protein powder लेता है. Okay, this is one. Casein is another protein. For your general knowledge, rasgulla, eat 4 to 5 rasgullas at night. लेकिन वो sugar syrup जो होता है ना, वो sugar squeeze करने का. Rasgulla is casein. You give casein at night because you want the milk to release slowly and give you amino acids. So recovery के लिए, recovery at night, rasgullas. Coach, there is an Indian sweet called rasgulla. So it's a milk which is boiled and separated. It looks like a white fluffy ball that contains casein, which is a very good recovery protein. It's widely available in most sweet shops in India. So they can have it. The only problem with the rasgulla is there's a lot of sugar syrup. So I tell my players to take it out from the sugar syrup, squeeze it, and then eat only the ball. Okay, and 3 to 4, if you can eat every day, you want to build size, eat rasgullas, eat banana, eat milk, eat eggs. That's all you need to do. Energy gels and bars. वो energy bar मिलता है, energy gel मिलता है. What I feel is, why would you need to take an energy bar or energy gel when you have all banana, pistas, badam? What you need to do is don't look at a packet. Look at your mind. आपके शरीर के अंदर माइंड क्या बोलता है? मेरे को ये खाने का है. साहब ने बोला ये चीज अच्छा है. Let me take this. Okay, so that's very important. Carnitine in green tea. This is for weight loss. Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about two parts: weight gain and weight loss. Okay, weight gain, weight loss. How can I do gain? Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah? Now, problem for player. Can player do less activity? Can a player do less activity? So, in terms of a player, gaining weight is very difficult. So you have to focus on the proper techniques of eating food. Player who is fat, more activity, can you do that? Yes. Be very careful of the type of food you eat. So that is why, if you remember the first part of my presentation when I told don't try to lose weight during season. Don't try to gain weight during season. The physiotherapist will tell you that you can get the most amount of injury when you are subjecting your joints to weight change or weight loss. So during season, that's not required. Okay? So, in terms of weight gain, I would focus on whey protein, okay, and casein at night, okay. In terms of weight loss, what I would do is, I would take a lunch and I replace lunch with a whey hydroxylate. So I give less food. So we call these as meal replacements. Okay? This is not for the player's general knowledge, this is just for general IQ. But that's what we would do. And that is where we use carnitine and green tea. Carnitine is a fat burner, green tea is a fat burner. Those of you who are like me beyond their 30s, green tea is an excellent fat burner. Consume 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day. It will help you burn fat. Okay? There are some schools that say that, you know what, but green tea doesn't give that much of fat burning. Well, your normal chai is around 80 calories. If I can change your normal chai to green tea is 0 calories. So if you drink 2 cups of tea a day, I have lost 180-200 calories, which is equivalent to about half an hour of walking. So by just consuming green tea, you're getting a less food from other things. Alright? So these are the things.